All right, and moving on, tensions are rising in Bangladesh as members of the Hindu community. They staged a major protest in Dhaka over reports of alleged desecration of Lord Rama's image in northern Bangladesh. The demonstrations, which began at the Shahbag intersection, featured a torchlight procession moving through Shahbag Square before reaching the National Press Club. The rally drew participants from various Hindu organizations as well as university students. Protesters say that a mob in Gaibandha district vandalized a photograph of the deity and threw shoes at an 81-foot statue which was under construction at a Ram temple site, leading to suspension of the project. Now they have demanded action against the culprits over the offence.
In recent times, this scenario happened. The portrait, we called it as Chitrapot of Purushottam Sri Ram, has been insulted by some group, some people.
On that protest, they have just did some negative things like they spent shoes on the picture of Sri Ramchandra, and that was a part of religious defamation, and that's why we are doing a protest.
Earlier in the day, two separate programs were organized in Dhaka by different factions of the Hindu Mahajot. One group held a human chain in front of the National Press Club, while another addressed a press conference at the Dhaka Reporters Unity. Meanwhile, the National Committee for Puja Celebrations has called for a nationwide protest on Saturday.
আজকে আমরা আমার সংগ্রামী বন্ধুগণ আছেন, আমি আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি এবং আজকে আমাদের প্রতিবাদ সভায় যারা দূর দূরান্ত থেকে আসছেন